All right, what you see right here is the ingredients, you know, for this recipe. Off here, I'm gonna show you. Look, we got a 32-ounce bag of Southern hash browns. These are just cubed. You want them to be thawed right off the bat. Right here, I made some crispy bacon. You know, so these are gonna be the bacon bits we're gonna put in. We got some shredded sharp cheddar. Philadelphia cream cheese. This is just the original. This is 8 ounces. Over here, we got condensed cream of chicken soup. Chicken broth. I'm using 33% less sodium. Then we got fresh ground pepper, kosher salt, and dry rosemary. And then last but not least, gotta show you this. You gotta get these crock pot liners. If you can see, let me get it up close. You can see they got some kind of, look like pulled pork or some kind of maybe shredded chicken or whatever. This makes the cleanup much easier. So let me go ahead and get it all together. And listen, this is one of the great things about this recipe is you just throw it all in the pot, you set it, and that's it. So let's get started. All right, this crock pot right here is very easy to use. You just hit power. We want to cook it on high, and then you have your time up. You can see it goes up in 30-minute increments. We want to go to 3 hours, and then we want to start it. That's it.